Most people won't become millionaires, not because they're lazy, but because they follow the crowd. Inflation is silent, savings are shrinking, and time? Time is expensive. If you're relying on one paycheck, one income, or one lucky break, that's not a plan. That's hope. And hope doesn't build wealth. If hard work alone made people rich, why are so many hardworking people broke? In 2026, wealth won't come from guessing. It will come from owning the right assets. Stay till the end. Because the last strategy is where real millionaires are created, and most people never even look there. Top 5 stocks. Own the world, don't work for it. Millionaires don't trade hours, they own businesses. Best 5 companies shaping the future area. Number 1, Apple, brand power, cash flow, loyalty. Number 2, Microsoft, cloud, AI, enterprise dominance. Number 3, Amazon, logistics, cloud, scale. Number 4, Alphabet, data, AI, attention economy. Number 5, NVIDIA, AI infrastructure backbone. These aren't get-rich-quick stocks. These are get-rich-patiently stocks. You probably use at least one of these companies today. So why don't you own them? But stocks aren't the only way wealth is created. Top 5 crypto, high risk, high rewards. Crypto is not a lottery. It's a technology bet. Best 5 strongest projects and coins going into 2026. Number 1, Bitcoin, digital gold. Number 2, Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized finance. Number 3, Solana, speed and scale. Number 4, XRP, cross-border payments. Number 5, Aster, emerging ecosystem play. Crypto rewards patience, not panic. Most people lose money because they chase hype at the top and sell fear at the bottom. USA real estate, cash flow plus security. Real estate creates millionaires quietly. Best 5 strongest USA land growth zones are number 1, Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. Number 2, Charlotte, North Carolina. Number 3, Phoenix, Arizona. Number 4, Tampa-St. Petersburg, Florida. Number 5, Austin, Texas. Best demanded due to population growth, job migration, rental demand, pattern interrupt. Everyone wants a house to live in. Few think of houses as income machines. Bonds, smart money moves. Bonds are not boring, they're defensive weapons. Best 5 strong and smart bond exposure in 2026 are number 1, Bond Block CCC rated USD High Yield Corporate, Bond ETF, XCCC. Number 2, X Trackers USD High Yield Corporate Bond ETF, HYLB. Number 3, Vanguard Total World Bond ETF, BNDW. Number 4, Vanguard Ultra Short Bond ETF, VUSB. Number 5, iShares MBS ETF, MBB. Bonds protect wealth. They don't create headlines. Flashy investors chase excitement. Smart investors chase survival. Small to big businesses, where millionaires are born. Almost every billionaire started small. Top 5 best scalable sectors are number 1, technology and digital services. Number 2, health, wellness, and personal services. Number 3, e-commerce and niche retail. Number 4, home and skilled trades, essential services. Number 5, sustainability and emerging industries. This is where income turns into ownership. E-commerce and physical products. Money never sleeps. Products sell while you sleep. Best 5 strongest categories are number 1, sustainable and eco-friendly products. Number 2, health and beauty. Number 3, pet products. Number 4, home decor and furniture. Number 5, groceries and food items. Plus, what most people forget, digital products, subscriptions, education and tools. If people buy it every month, why shouldn't you earn from it every month? Finally, the secret most people miss. Here's the truth. No single stock, no crypto, no business makes you a millionaire alone. Compounding does. Small wins, repeated consistently. Over time, that's how wealth is built. Most people wait for someday. Millionaires start today. If you want to understand how average people quietly become wealthy, Watch the next video on your screen. The power of compounding. That video explains why time is more powerful than talent. I'll see you there.